Sorry guys, I accidentally pushed the pause button. This is part 2 for making slime. So yeah. Let's back up. Mine's still pink and now I'm stirring it. Cora's.
Mine got a little bit more darker.
So I'm gonna put Cora color up because she's having really dark.
Yeah, like it's literally
Mine's
like
kind of a
pitch
pink,
black.
but I'm gonna put
I'll show you at the end when like it's better.
Yeah.
I wonder if I had like a bunch of activator.
Probably a lot. Your foam balls. Do you want foam balls in yours or no?
Maybe. I thought we could
They
do
would
some
lighten
with,
it up.
like after this, or like before food coloring, but we'll give the food coloring.
First we activate them, and then we add our stuff into it.
I'll probably use some glitter.
You don't have any glitter.
What? Yeah, we do.
You do?
Yeah.
Here.
Well, I don't know because
You don't have any.
Oh, your
Sadly.
mom didn't buy any
No.
for our time? Oh, well.
I'm sorry,
Lily.
Lily.
That's okay. But
Next time.
I'll check because last time I came over, I thought she had some. And y'all used it for that confetti cake, and then y'all didn't use the rest, and then y'all accidentally did it for
That was
TikTok.
our neighbor. That was our neighbor, Caden.
Oh.
Remember Caden, guys, in Cops and Robbers?
Oh. I remember him now.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh. Wow.
Alright, guys, here I go stirring. This is really.
That's Billy's story.
No. That's how dark that is.
What?
I wanted like a nice light pink.
I need a milk brother.
Okay, guys. We're gonna do a quick mix because this video is taking really long, and plus the other one. Okay, guys. So this is my color. You kind of can see.
Hello.
Alright, now we're gonna add our activator. I'm gonna get 1 spoon of it at a time, and then just mix it.
Wait, where's your spoon?
Oh, right here.
Yours is getting in your slime. I'm putting mine out. There we go. Maybe we're gonna use 2 for us.
Okay, now I'm using 2.
Mine's kind of coming together. Not that really. See?
It'll come together. Mine's already come together now since I added 2 more. I've added 3. 6, 9.
Mine kind of looks like
Mine's
those
like a plop
blobs.
of nothing.
But I feel
And
slime
you kind of want it to
before.
be sticky so your stuff can soak in more.
I've seen slime before, but I've never like made some. I tried to make.
Lily, you're so mean. You gotta get more into this grass stuff, you know, girl.
Well, I'm always at my school.
Oh yeah, she has to do school every day on the weekends.
Yes.
She's good because she gets really rewarded for that. She gets $1,000 just for going to school. Just for going to school. We don't get paid for going to school.
Well, my mom signed me up for it.
And Lily was like, really? But now she actually loves it.
Yeah, I actually do love it.
She's like,
But sometimes if I'm like sick or something, then I feel better like when I'm like if in the afternoon or something, I can go to my friend's house, but they don't have slime stuff, so that's why.
and
I go to school. Oh, and before I started at my school, that was amazing.
yeah, I started.
Well-
I did it 1 week, and I was like, I'm sorry. I want to get to be on my own on weekends.
Before now she's probably going to go back to our school, and you have to get paid every day, so you have to like pay them and stuff. But they'll give you more money than 1080 because they normally give me like $100. I'll show y'all my $100 because I have it in my purse because yeah, I don't know why. for shopping. Yeah. Today we already went shopping, but we did not make a video because
Because they didn't allow us, which is sad.
because I
And I was like, excuse me? It says YouTube. You should allow people.
Yeah. And our mom did not allow us. Well, my friend.
Or her mom.
Yeah. Because I have a phone too. Just my friend had a phone.
This is how the
And
color
so
is.
you
In
do.
actual real life, it looks so disgusting.
Yeah. And actually,
It's a blob
real
of
life,
poop.
it actually looks super.
That looks
pretty.
really pretty, but it has like chunks in it.
Yeah. I'll put maybe actually not easy, because that would make it more chunky.
I'm making more active. I think I put too much active.
Me too. Mash it, mash it, mash it, mash it. Oh, by the way, I'm at her house, not my house.
We're at her house, my house right now.
Yeah. But she's gonna come to my house in a few minutes. But she won't be able to bring her phone because she is grounded. But she let me come over because I'm her best friend and her mom was not here when that happened. So, yeah. I'm so weak. Oh no. No. Mash, mash. Mine's kind of like a purplish, like a whitish purplish. And by the way, I'm about. Oh yeah, do you remember I'm about to go home? Because that my school class is about to start. But it's gonna start in 10 more minutes. And I have to go. Because that means I won't be able to, you will not be able to come to my school.
Guys, I'll make this quick.
Yeah, because I have to go to my school. This is insane.
And her school is like 2 hours away.
Yeah. But I live like right beside her. Like, right there is my house from those bricks. And then Kaden lives right beside my house. And then my other friends live in this neighborhood too. And then some old people that live here that we don't know. My grandpa lives in here. Not in here, but in this neighborhood. So, actually, we know a bunch of people. That's how much people came to my party. 10. How much? 20 people.
Yeah, 20. Her sis.
No, I don't. You mean sis? You mean friend? Not sis. Yeah.
So-
But we're probably going to be sisters when we
Yeah,
grow
so
up.
I'm
so.
Yeah. Cause like, you can, there's a thing probably, I don't know.
There's a thing wrong with us because whenever I go shopping, I see her and she gets the same clothes as me.
I know, it's like,
And-
are we twins? But like, do we
But
like twins?
today we're
We
not
really
twins.
don't. But Lily is 3 years younger than me. I am 10, not 10, I'm 13. And Lily is 10.
Yeah.
And then my other
But
friend,
I don't look like 10 by the way.
because she is super small.
Yes, because I don't do workouts. Because
But I do. And I eat a lot, which is so weird.
And I barely eat. I only eat one healthy.
Cor, get out. Lily, get it out with your hands. And
Ew,
things.
no, it's too sticky.
You need to be sticky to add your stuff to it.
I'm not using those stuff. Lily? Why did I call you Lily?
Lily Cameron Lacken.
Not
You?
Lockin.
Lacken. I said Lacken. That's her last name.
No,
Lacken.
my last name is Crystal.
It's Lacken.
Well, my friend.
What's her middle name?
Crystal.
Guys, you're cuckoo.
My name is not Cuckoo, by the way.
I said we're cuckoo.
No, not Cuckoo.
There's my slime.
Well, name your slime Cuckoo.
There's my slime,
Because
guys.
this looks
You
like old
it?
poop. Yeah.
Hey, it's so pretty.
Oh, yeah, it actually turned out super pretty.
Let me see yours real quick. Yeah, my stuff into it.
Oh, no.
I just made another.
My slime is this pretty purple color.
Hey,
like
can I
shiny.
get some of my pink in your slime? Because it's okay.
No.
How would you make your... Okay, you need to do my slime. Fill that.
Or maybe get
Cora,
Ew.
Cora.
I feel.
Why am I calling you Cora?
Oh.
Please, Cora. I mean, please, Lily.
Why you keep on calling me your best friend's name? Literally.
My sister's name, Cora.
Oh, by the way, this said 7 because this was
Hey guys,
my
I'm my sister
sister.
Cora. She's not here yet. She's way older than me. She's 20.
Yeah, but
She's in college
her
right now.
sister gave me this Sweet Sassy and 7.
When she was 7, guys. It still fits her. Wow. She's wearing a 7 right now. She's in 10. So crazy.
Yes.
No, and she still wears 7. She didn't grow back at all.
Oh,
She grew a foot.
Yesterday I grew actually a foot, and then today.
She grew an inch yesterday.
Yeah.
Wow, so Angela grew 3 inches.
Yeah, because you did. So you ran 10 miles.
I do. I did a lot of workout.
Oh, by the way, mine's getting good. Oh, by the way, we have a baby cat.
Where did that thing go?
I need to go.
Actually, let me have it.
Like-
Oh my god, that thing is really sticky. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get some lotion to make it not this hard. So I'll see how when I get back.
Sorry, guys. This is super painful for us, but you cannot tell a cat. Well, yeah. Kitty! Kitty! Kitty!
Alright, guys.
This
I have no clue who that cat is.
Kitty!
Alright, guys, so I got some of this lotion.
Kitty!
Lisa, Lily, I'll get her. And it's my cat, guys. Sad.
I wonder if it's in the backyard. Could you let it? Kitty! Kitty!
Leave me around, guys.
Get to the door. You.
Alright, guys,
Oh. Oh my God. So. Can you clean the door open?
clean the door.
Shut the door.
Alright, guys, sorry about that. I just dropped some activator cord. Can you pick up the activator and I...
Lily. And no, I'm not gonna clean it up because you have to look at my slime.
What's that? What's that?
Kutik, stop mincing me. Kitty. Axel. Axel. Axel made entrance. Oh, I'm on the couch. Now how do I get out? Because I got slime on shorts. Come and help me. Come and help me. Come and help me. Come and help me. Yeah. Okay, we activate that.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna...
Activator for me.
Yeah.
What?
Alright, guys, I'm gonna listen to some mine. It's nice and stretchy now. Where did that cat go, guys? I'm gonna go look. I just heard it. Okay, guys.
Kitty! Everybody.
Go check. Go check in the front, Cora.
I did.
Alright, guys. Here's my slime. I have the beads to it now.
Oh my gosh! My timer! I have to go to my school.
Okay, sis. I mean, not sis. Hilda.
Guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
Go say bye to the cam after. They're gonna say bye to the cam, guys, so don't worry.
Okay, I think that's enough. Like, maybe like one more scoop left on both of my hands.
He's washing away.
Yeah. Cut short. So, bye guys. I'll miss y'all, but I will see y'all tomorrow maybe. Right?
Maybe.
Maybe.
If we're making another video tomorrow.
Yes, but not a slime.
Probably no. Yeah, it's not gonna be slime.
Yes.
And guys, we're not gonna use a fun boss tonight. Sorry about that.
Part 3, we'll probably have the phone box tomorrow.
Probably tomorrow.
Yeah, so yeah. I love y'all. This is so cool. It's like a slime.
Guys, say bye to y'all. I'm sorry about that. I'm driving
Oh
for
no.
school.
Oh yeah, you're gonna drive me. Huh?
Usually her boyfriend drives her.
Yeah.
Axel.
Yeah. Okay, his name Axel.
Yeah, that's why she got the name for it. Alright guys, that's her slime. If you liked it, I'll play y'all stuff up.
Yay! Hey,
That's getting worse
tomorrow
now,
I'll
but-
see you, and you can have my
Stop
slime.
it! Stop doing that! Lily! You know what's getting it out to you doing that, Lily?
Stop, Lily.
Alright. My name ain't Lily, you gossip.
Well, it's raining and
It's not raining. It looks like it's gonna rain. Alright guys.
Bye, Lily.
It's been awesome.